Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view a Facebook story without them knowing on app. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now refresh your homepage by swiping down. This loads the latest stories and ensures they're preloaded on your device. Step 2. Next, turn off your Wi-Fi and enable airplane mode. This disconnects your phone from the internet, preventing Facebook from tracking your activity. Step 3. Now, tap on the story you want to view. Since the story was preloaded when you refreshed earlier, it should open without any issues. Watch the story just like you normally would. Step 4. Once you're done, close the story and completely exit the Facebook app. On most phones, you can do this by swiping it away from your recent apps list. This ensures Facebook doesn't register your view. Step 5. Finally, turn your Wi-Fi back on and disable airplane mode. Now you're back online, and since Facebook didn't detect your activity while you were offline, your name won't appear in the story viewer list. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.